Gordon, thank you so much for taking the time to chat. It's two Scotsmen in the Netherlands.
Who would believe that?
But you are the Vice President of the Juniper Partner Organisation.
That's correct.
Can you tell me a little bit more about what that entails?
Yeah, I'm responsible for an ecosystem of partners across the world that work extremely closely with our customers and our solutions to guarantee, great experiences for those customers.
And now AI is becoming a bigger and bigger thing for Juniper and for the tech world now. Is that something that you are actively talking to partners about, engaging with them about?
Yeah, I mean, the conversation is very much around AI at the moment, whether that's at the edge of the network in campus and branch or in the data center where companies are looking to, leverage AI to have better experiences with their customers and with their employees. So lots going on. We're at the beginning of something really, really exciting at the moment, and I'm looking forward to seeing all the benefits as they roll out over the next quarters and years.
Yeah, I can feel that. There's a buzz in the room at the event. It's really exciting. Can you talk about some of the challenges in setting up and managing the relationships with loads of different partners across the world?
Yeah, well, we're very fortunate at Juniper to have some of the best partners in the industry. Nomios is an example we have had a very long-standing relationship with. We've worked together in the service provider space as well as in the enterprise space, and they've been delivering delightful experiences for customers over the last few years, and the relationship continues to grow. All relationships in the Juniper Partner Organisation and with our partners are really built on trust and transparency. We push on each other at the right times and really have one thing in mind, and that's delivering what's the best outcome possible for our joint customers.
Gordon, can you tell us a little bit more about the opportunity that AI offers some of our partners?
Yeah, so it's three major opportunities that I see. Firstly, I think it's going to give us the opportunity to do things quicker in the relationship, to leverage some of the tools within AI to form even stronger partnerships, based around enablement, demand generation. There's just a ton of things that will make us more efficient, that will allow us in turn more time to innovate and more time actually to do the things that we like as we become more productive and less sort of drowning in some of the processing systems and tools. Two major inflection points in the market. One is AI for networking that we're seeing move extremely quickly. Customers looking to develop those private data centers enriched with AI to create fantastic customer experiences and drive productivity for their employees as well, growing rapidly. And then deployment of AI-driven networks within the enterprise where the network almost becomes self-driving. The AI is self-healing the network as the AI learns from networks all across the world, and that intelligence is then distributed out through through the cloud. So two things there, or three things in total. It should give us a little bit more time back. And then there's two great market inflection points happening in the AI clustering space and at the edge of the network.
Sounds like a really exciting sector to be in at the moment. What are the future challenges, future projects, ideas, concepts that are going to be, what's everyone going to be talking about in 5 years?
That's a great question. I mean, for me right now, it's really not about the opportunity. The opportunity is, unquestionable. It's huge and it's moving really quickly. It's all about the speed of execution and how quickly we can do things, how agile a company we can be to our partners and to our customers, and that's something we're going to be really focused on. So in the next 5 years, I expect to see Juniper, continuing to lead the way with our partners and deliver, AI networking and networking for AI in a way that we probably don't even believe is imaginable right now.
That sounds really great, man. Gordon, thanks so much for taking the time to chat. It's been a real pleasure, real pleasure.